Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up automatic forwarding of emails into your Proton Mail application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you first have to open your Proton Mail in any of your browsers. Now, after opening the Proton Mail, you just simply have to tap into the settings icon just beside the upgrade button. Click to all setting options here. Now, after coming to the all setting options, you just simply have to scroll down to Proton Mail settings. Here, you can see this forward and auto replay settings below the filters option. Click into that forward and auto replay option. Now, after coming here, you can set up email forwarding into here by clicking into this button. But you have to upgrade your Proton Mail in order to set that forwarding option into here. If you need that feature desperately, just simply click to this upgrade button and choose your plan. Then, after upgrading, you can set up the forwarding option into your Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.